Hi everyone, and welcome to this video where I'll show you how to create a calculator that shows how changes in interest rates may affect your monthly mortgage payments. We live in a time where central banks have consistently been increasing rates in order to tackle inflation, and therefore this kind of a calculator becomes even more important, especially if you're on a variable rate. This calculator will allow you to type in your current mortgage balance, the remaining term of your mortgage in years, the current interest rate you're on, and the interest rate change you are expecting. Based on this, it will retrieve an indication of your current monthly mortgage payments and your new monthly payments, as well as the difference between the two. Before we start, I need to emphasize that this calculator is for illustrative purposes only and should not substitute financial advice. To create our calculator, we first add the inputs. In this example, we're going to assume that we have a remaining mortgage balance and term based on our most recent statements of £200,000 and 20 years respectively. We'll assume that the rate we're currently on is 5%, and we'll assess the impact of a 50 basis points or 0.5% increase in interest rates. To calculate the payment change, we first need to calculate the current monthly payments and the new monthly payments. To calculate the current monthly payments, we can use the PMT function. This function calculates the payments for a loan. We type equals PMT, first inputs the interest rates, we take the annual interest rates and divide it by 12 to give the monthly rate. Next, it's asking us for the number of periods or months, which is the term multiplied by 12. Finally, we input the mortgage amount. Before we click enter, we'll add a negative sign before the PMT function to make the final value positive. Therefore, our current monthly payments is around £1,319. To calculate the new monthly payments, which assumes that the interest rate increase were to occur, we can use the formula we just created. The change we'll make is that we'll add the interest rate change to the current interest rates like this. Therefore, if interest rates rose by 50 basis points, then the new monthly mortgage payments would become £1,375. To calculate the payment change, we can simply take the new monthly payments and subtract the current monthly payments. Therefore, if interest rates increased by 50 basis points, the increase in monthly mortgage payments would be around £56. If we change any of the inputs like this, you can see that the outputs update automatically. Therefore, that's how you can create a mortgage rate change calculator in Excel. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to the Excel Hub for further Excel tutorials, techniques, and examples.